Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to do the configuration of your shopping cart. So if this is your first time, what I would suggest you do is have a look at this video here first, and then you'll get an idea how to add your shopping cart. If you've not got an account with us, then you can click this link here, and if you would just like to have a look at the free website creating tool, obviously you can click here, and then you can actually follow this video and use the demo to see how the shopping cart works. So first of all, what we've got to do, if you scroll down, these are the 3 products that I'm going to add later. But first of all, we need to go to shopping cart configuration, and from configuration what you'll need to do is put your shop name in here. And seeing that we're over in the UK, it's set as UK. It's going to be pound sterling. You can actually set this currency here as well, and the format. And if we scroll down, you'll see show full price even if rounded. I'm not going to go into all that because it, as you can see, it just adds the difference between this and this. Show product prices without tax, so click that on and off if you want to put taxes on. Product quantity, you can click on here as well, and I can just show you that. So if I click on that, save changes, and then if I just go over, I always go over to Bing. I click on that and scroll down, that's what I've just done to the actual template. So if we go back, and then if we scroll down again and I unclick that, save changes, show you over in Bing, if I refresh it, you'll see that that's disappeared. So if we go back again, so scroll down, so that was the product quantity. You can also a stock keeping unit, you can add that as well. You can display sorting options on product list, so we can click that on and off as well. And again, just to save time on the video, what I suggest you do is go into the demo, click these on and off. And like I say, what I do is go over to Bing, and to find, I just find the page. And then obviously if you refresh it, you'll be able to see it working live. You can add a weight if you've got a weighted product. If you've not got a weight, then just drop that down to 0. Thumbnail display style, if you click on here, you can change it to the default shape, but as you can see, we're on the square shape, but there's also these as well. So again, like I say, go into your demo. Hide content block before shop, you can switch that on and off, and you can see that working. Product catalog mode, when activated, the shop will work as a catalog, so you can either have it as the shop or as a catalog. Show navigation on product page, so as you can see, previous and next button will appear in the header to improve navigation of SEO and internal linking, so we'll always keep that on. Your next one you've got is always show cart button in header, so if I actually click that on and then save changes, and let's see if we go over, and as you can see just here, it's added 2 to the basket. If I click on that, then you'll see this part, which I'll show you next. So if we go back, scroll back down, you can add your custom taxes, so you can fill that in. Again, taxes, you can add here as well. You can add tax before your delivery, so you can fill that in on and off. And then your last order ID, you can change this up or down. So what you would do then is just save changes. And then when you save changes, if you click here and just refresh it, it will then, when you click on it, obviously, and then look at your product, you'll see what's been edited or not edited. So if we just go back, I'll go back to, can't do it on there, so try going back there. There you go, that takes you back to your products. So if I click on here, go to configuration again, So also I'm going to take you through payment method. So as you can see, PayPal is active, and there's lots of other ways to set it up as your payment. And like I say, there's quite a few there. If we go to delivery method, now this is the default delivery method. So if I click on that, so as you can see, it's default 1 day delivery time. There's no fee set up, so you can put a fee in there, and that's if you look down, you can add delivery per weight unit, and also you can use this to put a shipping cost in, and also you can deliver to all countries, or if you want to do individual countries, just click on that and you'll see you've got a list of all the different countries that you can add. And then all you would do again is save changes. So when you've saved changes, you can actually refresh it on the screen. If you want to add a new delivery method, then what you can do is click on that link and put your name in, and then you can make a new delivery method there. And when you've done all that, save changes. Obviously I've not filled the form in. So if we go back to there, and then if you've got another delivery note and let's say you want to get rid of it, then what you can do is you can just delete it. So if we go over to email messages, now these are all set up for you, but you can change them if you wish. So if I just click on new customer, it's set up for you. So unless you really want to change it, then I'll just leave it as it is. Payment process paid, and this is the first one that's sent out to your customer. And also, if we scroll down, you can actually put tags, different tags. But again, as you can see, this is set up. If you click on support tags, you can use any of these tags in any of the emails. So you can actually take whatever you want to use and then actually put it in wherever you want to do it. We'll just come out of that. And if we scroll down, and there you go, it's set up. Like I say, it's set up for you, but obviously, you know, I would probably change, you know, these sorts of, you know, part of the actual message that you're sending. So we just go back to email, and as you see, you've got a new order. So if anybody places an order, then this is what they'll receive from you. A new order's been placed, and like I say, all the details there again. We just go back, order status change. So let's say they've ordered and you know, you're going to deliver it in 7 days and there's been some change, then you can then send that out to your customer just to keep them up to date, and you know, keep them up to date on what is actually happening. And then also order processed, again, like say you've got this one here. So when your order's processed, you can, this one can be sent out as well. So we go to shop homepage. Now what this is, you can just have a product and a category sidebar. So let's say I click on that one there and we save changes, and then we refresh it. And let's say we go to the first order one, and they then go here. And then this actually sets these out in a different way for you. So that's how you do that. So let's just see if I can go back again. And these are your products. So let's say we go here. Like I say, you know, it's quite easy to obviously change about. And then you can add random products at the bottom. So if they purchase one, they might want to purchase something else if you know, off the page, and you can set these bars up as you want them. So there you go, that's the actual configuration of it. And in the other videos, like I say, if you look down here, you know, I'll add other videos for you. And on the next one, what we'll do is probably look at, just go there, we'll probably look at adding a product. I'll go through orders and your customers as well. So thanks for watching, and like I say, I'll see you on the next video.